in support of Shri Narendra Modi being selected as the face of BJP, we at Ace Tattoos Mumbai have decided to give free permanent tattoos of Shri Narendra Modi through Facebook and Twitter.
Why are you doing this?
This is because the youth, that is, we think that this man has got the guts and the balls to change the future of India the way he's done in Gujarat. This is our way, we being an artist, this is our way to contribute from our side what we can in support of a person who has the capability to change the future of India and being the Prime Minister of India.
Candidate.
The candidate, and we are in support of him being the Prime Minister. Let him be the candidate first, but be sure that he is going to be the next Prime Minister of India.
How is the response of the people to your offer?
Amazing, amazing. We're getting calls from Delhi, from Bangalore, from Ahmedabad, from Mumbai. People are excited to get tattoos, and we are taking appointments of them. And whosoever wishes to get his tattoo done permanently can call us and visit our studio. We're there, and let the youth show the support that we can ink this on our body permanent for our life, and support this man.
It's all free.
It's absolutely free of cost, no charge. This is what we're preparing right now. It's a stencil, small stencil that we do. This is the pic that we're gonna do it for free, and this is how it goes. The stencil comes on the hand, and this is what it is. This is the pic that is gonna be permanent on someone's body, and this is how we do it. We have a stencil of Shri Narendra Modi, and we have the outline right now. We prepared it, and with the machine and the ink over here, we're gonna start doing the tattoo. And whosoever wish to get something permanent, the way during independence people used to write letters from their blood, and this is the time, no shedding of blood, but we want permanent tattoo on our body showing our support to this great man. Right? बड़ा बड़ा